The Catholic University of America fired a professor this week after she hosted a pro-abortion advocate to lecture nursing and psychology students. That's this week's Speak Out segment. Professor Melissa Goldberg invited a so-called abortion doula to speak to a class on January 23rd. Doulas typically provide emotional and physical support for women throughout pregnancy and childbirth. Rachel Carbonneau is the founder and CEO of the doula company called Family Ways. Her website indicates one service as an end-of-life doula, not just for families with an unexpected loss, but also for families who are, quote, ending their life journeys. She spoke to students about her work to help women have abortions, used the term birthing persons to indicate that she serves women presenting as men, and avoids language like woman or mother. She also explained how she tells parents to talk to older children about why there is no baby anymore due to an abortion. Carbonneau's presence on campus caused uproar among active students and alumni. The president of the university was quick to respond. Dr. Peter Kilpatrick issued a statement saying, "As a Catholic institution, we are committed to promoting the full truth of the human person and to protecting human life from conception to natural death. In our rigorous pursuit of truth and justice, we engage at times with arguments or ideologies contrary to reason or to the gospel, but we do so fully confident in the clarity given by the combined lights of reason and faith, and we commit to never advocate for sin or to give moral equivalence to error." President Kilpatrick says they had undisputed evidence of the lecture because a student recorded the event. Professor Melissa Goldberg's faculty page is no longer available on Catholic University of America's website. Catholic universities have an obligation to uphold the dignity of all human life, especially the unborn. Dr. Kilpatrick's swift action to set things right is certainly to be emulated.